Every Rolls-Royce Phantom begins with the world's finest materials. Today, this masterpiece will become a unique 24K gold edition. Every aluminum panel is digitally inspected before production begins. Only flawless material moves to the next stage. CNC laser systems create every body panel with micron precision. Each cut prepares the Phantom for handcrafted assembly. Powerful presses transform flat metal into iconic Rolls-Royce shapes. Precision forming guarantees perfect alignment.
Robotic trimming ensures every panel fits with absolute precision. The smallest imperfections are removed.
The Phantom's rigid structure is assembled with robotic precision. Laser alignment guarantees perfect geometry.
Advanced robotic welding creates an exceptionally strong body. Every joint meets Rolls-Royce engineering standards.
Thousands of measurements confer perfect accuracy. No body proceeds without passing inspection.
Perfect paint starts with a perfectly prepared surface. Every millimeter is carefully refined. Every contaminant is removed before painting. Absolute cleanliness ensures flawless adhesion.
The first protective coating shields the aluminum body. Primer prepares the surface for luxury finishes.
Hand polishing creates the legendary Rolls-Royce gloss. No machine replaces the artisan's touch.
Pure 24-karat gold is carefully refined for handcrafted details. Every gram is shaped for ultimate luxury. Diamond tools shape every 24-karat gold component with extreme precision. Each piece is measured to microscopic accuracy.
Every gold detail is polished entirely by hand. The mirror finish reflects true craftsmanship. Every gold detail is polished entirely by hand. The mirror finish reflects true craftsmanship.
The legendary V12 engine starts with a precision-machined aluminum block. Every measurement meets Rolls-Royce standards.
Forged internal components ensure smooth and powerful performance. Precision torque guarantees long-term reliability. The cylinder heads complete the heart of the V12. Every valve is synchronized with perfect timing.
Twin turbochargers provide effortless power. The V12 is engineered for silent performance.
Each V12 is tested before entering the vehicle. Only flawless engines continue to assembly.
The lightweight aluminum architecture forms the Phantom's foundation. It is designed for strength and comfort.
Air suspension delivers the legendary magic carpet ride. Every connection is torque verified.
Massive brakes ensure confident stopping power. Every system is tested for safety.
Precision steering delivers effortless control. Laser alignment guarantees accuracy. The transmission is perfectly matched to the V12. Together, they create effortless acceleration.
The heart of the Phantom meets its chassis. Every bolt is digitally torque-checked.
Advanced cooling keeps the V12 operating flawlessly. Every connection is pressure tested. Thousands of electrical connections bring the Phantom to life. The luxury systems are now ready for interior installation. Only the finest leather is chosen for the Phantom's interior. Natural imperfections are carefully avoided. Computer-guided cutters deliver exceptional precision. Every leather panel fits perfectly. Every stitch reflects handcrafted perfection. Luxury is created one seam at a time. Comfort technology is hidden beneath handcrafted leather. Every seat is built for effortless luxury. Rare walnut wood is carefully selected for perfect grain. Each veneer is naturally unique.
Multiple polishing stages reveal the wood's natural beauty. Every surface shines with handcrafted elegance.
Pure 24-karat gold transforms the interior into a work of art. Every detail is installed entirely by hand. The handcrafted dashboard becomes the cabin's centerpiece. Every panel aligns with exceptional precision. Luxury continues into every door panel. Even hidden details receive meticulous attention. The handcrafted seats bring ultimate comfort to the cabin. Every electronic feature is carefully connected. Thousands of fiber optics create the signature starlight ceiling. Each light is individually positioned by hand. The premium sound system is tuned for perfect acoustics. Every seat enjoys an immersive listening experience. The handcrafted steering wheel combines luxury with precision. Gold accents add an exclusive finishing touch. The center console blends advanced technology with timeless craftsmanship. Every control is assembled by hand. The mirror finish paint is examined under intense inspection lighting. Only flawless surfaces continue to final assembly. The legendary Pantheon grille defines the Phantom's identity. Every fastener is tightened with digital precision. The Spirit of Ecstasy is fitted with exceptional care. It rises smoothly, symbolizing timeless luxury. Advanced lighting combines technology with elegant design. Every light is tested before final assembly. Precision glass installation enhances strength and quietness. Every seal is checked for perfection. The iconic coach doors are aligned with millimeter accuracy. The soft close system delivers effortless elegance. Forged wheels combine elegance with engineering strength. Every bolt is tightened to exact specifications. Balanced wheels ensure an exceptionally smooth ride. Every tire is electronically calibrated.
The handcrafted body meets the precision-built chassis. This milestone brings the Phantom to life.
Thousands of connections unite every major system. The Phantom is now mechanically complete. Advanced diagnostics verify every electronic system. Only perfect results receive approval. Every fluid is measured with exceptional precision. The Phantom is prepared for its first startup. The handcrafted V12 comes to life with remarkable smoothness. Every reading confirms flawless performance. A premium ceramic coating protects the flawless finish. The final polish reveals unmatched brilliance. Every detail is inspected before the Phantom earns approval. The world's finest luxury sedan is nearly ready for delivery.
Every Phantom must withstand an intense artificial rainstorm. The cabin is inspected for complete water sealing.
Every seal is carefully inspected after the rain simulation. The handcrafted interior remains perfectly dry.
The Phantom is secured for a complete drivetrain evaluation. Every system is monitored in real time.
The legendary V12 is tested under simulated road conditions. Performance is verified before customer delivery. The suspension is tuned to deliver the famous magic carpet ride. Every movement is measured with extreme precision.
Every braking component is tested for maximum safety. Electronic systems respond instantly under load.
The final software calibration completes every intelligent system. The Phantom is now fully configured. A unique serial plaque marks this exclusive edition. It represents individuality and craftsmanship.
Protective coverings preserve the flawless finish. The Phantom is now ready for delivery.
Every completed Phantom is professionally documented. Detailed records accompany each handcrafted vehicle. The handcrafted Phantom enters the final delivery hall. It is ready for its new owner. The finished Phantom is carefully prepared for secure transport. Every precaution protects its flawless condition. From raw materials to handcrafted perfection, every step reflects uncompromising excellence.